the attention of the outgoing guest, Mr. Ivan Jorge Buena. Once again, Mr. Ivan Jorge Buena, please proceed to get 118 project.
Good afternoon to all Call Express and Philippine Airlines passengers on flight P525 and PR525 bound for Cagayan de Oro. May we have your attention, please? Please be informed that the aircraft that will be used for your flight is estimated to arrive here in Manila at 1:55 this afternoon. Once again, 1:55 this afternoon. Meanwhile, may we request all passengers on flight P525 and PR525 bound for Cagayan de Oro